Today we are going to prepare Savoiardi, and here are the ingredients: 4 egg yolk with 30 grams of sugar, 4 egg white with 70 grams of sugar, 100 grams of flour, 10 grams of maizena. Beating well the egg yolk in a machine and the egg white in another with another mixer. This is the most important things for this biscuit, the beating of the egg white. The beating of the egg white has to be very well done. Then you mix the egg yolk with the egg white. I do it in 3 times, not to deflate the whites. These are known as a ladyfinger and sponge finger. It's a sweet, dry sponge biscuit, and we use for tiramisu. When you have mixed well the egg yolk with the egg white, you add the flour and the maizena and you mix gently. When these are well incorporated, you use a pastry bag to shape it like a large finger, and for this they have the name of ladyfinger. With a piping bag on a baking tray with a parchment paper, you will bake for a preheated oven, 180 degrees for 10-15 minutes depending on your oven. The plain ladyfinger are commonly given to infants because of the structure. I will have one, so see you later.